Hello students, myself Professor Goyal Akash from KNBC Arts Commerce and Vinayakrao Patil Science College, Vidyanagar, Bhosre. Today we are talking about Unit 3. In that, today we'll talk about structure of monocot root. If you see a monocot root, the ground plan of a monocot root shows different parts in which important is outermost epiblema, after that cortex, then endodermis region, the pericycle, the vascular strands, and in center it is a pith region. So if you talk in detail, the outermost region of young root has thin walled cells. So this region is called as epiblema, or it is called as piliferous region, and sometimes it is also called as rhizodermis. This region produces root hairs which are tubular in outline, and they make function of actual absorption of water from the soil. In older parts, epiblema is shed off and it becomes impervious. The next region is the cortex region. This is the white region of parenchyma cells that encloses intercellular spaces for the exchange of gases. These cells also store food in older roots. The outer one or more layers of cortex become thick walled and get suberized. They constitutes the exodermis. The function of cortex region, upper cortex region, is protective, and to some extent it is also absorptive in function. The innermost layer of cortex is the endodermis. This endodermis layer is the innermost boundary of the cortex. It is single layered. It is made up of barrel shaped cells which do not show intercellular spaces. This layer contains suberin, which makes the layer impermeable to water. The water can pass only through a special region called as Casparian strips. Inner to this layer, there is a single layer made up of sclerenchymatous cells. It is a pericycle. This pericycle may be uniserrate in some monocots like maize, or sometimes it is multiserrate in monocots like smilex. In monocots, cambium is not formed, and after pericycle region, the vascular strand region is present. In this vascular strand, there is alternate patches of xylem and phloem. So this xylem and phloem is present radially, as the number of patches of xylem is always equal to number of patches of phloem, so they are always alternate to each other, and such condition is called as a radial condition. In the center, there is a pith region. This pith region is made up of parenchymatous thin walled cells which may be rounded or angular. Intercellular spaces are present among the pith cells, and the main function of fridge is to store food. Thank you.